Hi everyone, my name is Shengjin Ren. Today I'm gonna explain three simple questions. The first I'm gonna talk about is C1. Use the following data to calculate the new indicated growth rate. To find the new indicated growth rate, we use this formula, and what we need to know is what is PI bar, what is P bar, and Z is given. Z is credibility factor. And so first, we need to know what is P bar. P bar is simply use P, which is our premium at present rates, divided by X. X is earned exposure units, 45,000 divided by 1,000, and the answer is 45. And secondly, to find PI bar, we need to use those formulas. For the upper part, we need to know the pure premium. The pure premium is L bar plus EL bar, which is losses average incur losses after development trended L bar plus EL bar, and this is equals to the incur losses after development trend divided by the earn exposure units 1,000, and the answer is $40. And then for the uh, average indicated premium PI bar, it is equals to the pure premium divided by 1 minus V minus QT. For this question, we don't know those two numbers, but the expected loss ratio is given, and it's exactly the 1 minus V minus QT. So we just simply use the pure premium divided by the expected loss ratio, 40 divided by 0.6, and get 66.67. That's our average indicated premium PI bar, and then we can figure out the estimate new indicated growth rate. Since the question says that use the current rates as the complement of credibility, so we need to use the minus 0.2 to time the P bar. So 0.2 times the PI bar 66.67 plus 1 minus 0.2 times the P bar 45, and we get the final answer 49.33. And the next question is C4. The purpose of this question is to use loss ratio method to calculate the indicated rate change. So let's do this. For question A, compute the permissible loss ratio. Permissible loss ratio's formula is right here, 1 minus V minus QT. And V includes commissions, other acquisition expense, taxes, licenses, and fee, general expense. And QT includes profit provision. And we can simply use 1 minus sum of those number minus this number, and we can get our permissible loss ratio. The formula is right here. It's 65.5%. And for second question, compute the experience loss and LAE ratio for the 3 years combined. So first, we need to calculate our premium at current rate level, which is PC. And what we gonna do is to use the 94, 95, 96 exposure, add them up, and times the current rate. So for territory 1, we use 10 plus 15 plus 20 times 140, the current rate, and we get 6,300. And similar for territory 2, we use 20 plus 25 plus 30 times the current rate 80, and we get 6,000. For territory 3, we use 30 plus 35 plus 40 and times 140, and we get 14,700. So add them up, we get our PC, 27,000, which is over earned premium at current rate level. And secondly, we need to calculate the developed and trended losses and LAE. For this question, the incurred losses and LAE is 9,000, but it's not the ULAE is not included, so we need to figure out the ULAE ratio. We use the amount of incurred ULAE divided by the incurred losses and LAE, which is 750 divided by 9,000. We get the ratio 0.083, and to find the expected losses and LAE, we use the accident year trended ultimate loss and ALAE. Each year, add them up, 6,000 plus 4,500 plus 8,000, and times 1 plus 0.083, and we get the expected losses and LAE. And the number is 20,036. After all, we can calculate the upper part of the indicated rate change formula, L plus EL divided by PC. And we already know L plus EL is 20,036 divided by PC, 27,000, and we get the number 0.0742. So for question C, we calculate the overall rate indication. You just simply use this formula, and we already get our permissible loss ratio. We get L plus EL divided by PC, and we simply use this number divided by this number and minus 1. And we get our indicated rate change, 13.3%. And the next question is C7. This question is quite similar to the last one. It's use loss ratio method to find the indicated rate change. And the first, we need to calculate the experience period trended, developed, loss, and ALAE. So for this one, we already know the annual trended factor is 3%, and we know the developed accident period loss and ALAE right here is 21,500. So what we need to know is the years of train. Here's the way. For the current period, from the condition 3, we know that the period is from January 1st, 2000 to June 30, 2001. So the average accident date is October 1st, 2000. And for the future period, the projected rate to be effect January 1st, 2003. And we get 2 effective date. And all policy have 1 year terms. So it's about 2-year delay, and it was January 1st, 2005. And the average accident date is January 1st, 2004. So we simply use this one minus this one, we get 3.25 years of train. So to find the trended developed loss and ALAE, which is L plus EL, we use this number times 1 plus the annual trend factor into the 3.25. It's quite similar to the interest, like to find the future value, use present value plus interest to the year. I'll get the final answer is 23,668. For question B, calculate the experience period all level earned premium. Just allow us to find the PC. So The on-level earned premiums formula is to use current rate times earned exposure. As for current rate, the rate on January 1st, 99 was 120 per exposure. So we use the original exposure times 1 plus the first rate change, which is 10%, times 1 minus the 1 plus the second rate change, which is negative 15%, and we get the current rate, 112.2. As for the earned exposure, the earned exposure is from January 1st, 2000, it's right here, to June 30, 2001. It's a year and a half. So the rating exposure for 2000 is 200, and as for the rating exposure for 2001, only half year are included. Half year is included, so we use 0.5 times 200 is 100. This formula is right here. 0.5 times 200 plus 1 times 200, and we get the earned exposure is 300. So the on-level earned premium, PC, is use a current rate times earned exposure, and we get 33,660. And finally, we can use this formula. We already have L plus EL. We know PC. We use E plus EL, this number, divided by this number. We get the upper part of this formula, and the answer is 0.703. And the permissible loss and ALE ratio is given right here, 65%. So the indicated rate change, we just plug the number in, use the L plus EL divided by PC divided by permissible loss and ALE ratio minus 1. The formula is right here. The final answer is 8.2%. And thank you for watching the video. Thank you.